In today's world, we are consuming more information than ever before in human history. Every day we scroll, swipe, like, comment, and switch between dozens of apps. This constant digital consumption has become our new diet, a digital diet. But unlike healthy food, this diet is quietly destroying our ability to think deeply, focus clearly, and feel mentally sharp. Most people don't even realize how much their mind has been affected. Our brains were never designed to handle this level of stimulation. Notifications, short videos, endless feeds, they all hijack our dopamine system. Every ping gives us a small hit of pleasure, training our brain to crave constant novelty. Over time, this makes it extremely difficult to sit with one idea for more than a few minutes. Deep thinking becomes painful. Attention is the most valuable resource we have, yet we are giving it away in tiny fragments throughout the day. Studies showed that the average person now checks their phone over 150 times daily. Every single check interrupts our train of thought. This constant fragmentation is silently weakening our cognitive muscles. One of the biggest victims of our digital diet is working memory. When your brain is overloaded with information, it struggles to hold and connect ideas. You might read an article but forget the main point just minutes later. This mental fog is not normal aging. It is the direct result of digital overload. Social media platforms are engineered to keep you hooked. They use powerful psychological tricks to maximize time spent. The more time you spend, the less time you have for reflection, creativity, or even proper rest. Your brain stays in a reactive state instead of a creative one. Have you noticed how hard it has become to read a full book? Many people now confess they can't focus for more than 10 to 15 pages. This is not a coincidence. Our brains have been retrained by TikTok and Instagram Reels to expect instant gratification and rapid changes. Deep reading feels boring now. Constant digital consumption also damages our ability to feel bored. Boredom is actually a powerful mental state where creativity and problem solving emerge. But we have eliminated boredom completely with our phones. As a result, we are losing original thoughts and fresh ideas. Multitasking is another illusion created by the digital world. Research clearly shows that the brain cannot truly multitask. It just rapidly switches between tasks. Every switch costs mental energy and reduces overall performance. This is why you feel exhausted, even when you haven't done much real work. The quality of your thinking depends heavily on what you feed your mind. Junk information creates junk thoughts. When your mind is filled with trending topics, drama, and opinions, there is very little space left for your own original thinking and self-reflection. Sleep quality has also suffered badly. Blue light from screens and mental stimulation late at night disturb deep sleep cycles. Poor sleep directly affects memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and next-day focus. Many people are running on mental fatigue without realizing it. The good news is that you can reclaim your cognitive clarity. It is completely possible to reverse the damage. The first and most powerful step is awareness. Once you understand how deeply your digital habits are affecting you, real change becomes easier. Start with a digital detox. Even 24 to 48 hours without social media can bring surprising mental clarity. You will notice your mind becoming calmer and thoughts becoming clearer. Many people report feeling like they woke up after just a short break. Create intentional boredom in your life. Schedule time with no phone, no music, no stimulation. Sit quietly or go for a walk without podcasts. This empty space allows your mind to process information and generate its own ideas. Replace mindless scrolling with deep reading. Choose physical books instead of screens when possible. Start small, just 20 to 30 minutes daily. Over weeks, your attention span will gradually rebuild itself, like a muscle returning to strength. Practice single tasking. Train your brain to do only one thing at a time, with full focus. Close all unnecessary tabs, put your phone in another room, and work in focused blocks. This simple habit dramatically improves both quality and speed of work. Spend more time in nature. Walking in green spaces without devices has proven benefits for attention, restoration, and mental clarity. Nature gives your brain the soft stimulation it actually needs. Unlike the harsh stimulation of screens, mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools to rebuild focus. Even 10 minutes daily can strengthen the parts of your brain responsible for attention control. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay present instead of constantly craving stimulation. Curate your digital diet strictly. Unfollow accounts that create anxiety or waste time. Set strict time limits on social media apps. Use tools like grayscale mode and do not disturb schedules. Treat information like food. Be selective about what you consume. Curate your digital diet strictly. Unfollow accounts that create anxiety or waste time. Set strict time limits on social media apps. Use tools like grayscale mode and do not disturb schedules. Treat information like food. Be selective about what you consume. Cognitive clarity is not a luxury. It is becoming a superpower in the modern world. Those who can think deeply, focus longer, and create original work will stand out dramatically. Your future success may depend more on your attention than on your knowledge. Start today. Choose one small change from this video and implement it immediately. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. If you give it the right environment, it will reward you with sharper thinking, better memory, deeper creativity, and a much calmer mind. The power to reclaim your clarity is in your hands.